Find the odd one out 3 digits addition. Here is the question number 1. Identify which is not 746. This one is 45. Here is your question number 2. There you go. Which is not 482. This was 462. Can you find the odd one out? This was 612. Here is your puzzle number 5. This was 976. Now you have to find out which is not 134. This one. Identify the odd one out. This one was 35. Find the odd one out. $468. Now you have to find out what is not 752. This is 725. Now the common digit is 341. You have to find out which is different. This is 314. Now you have to identify the digit which is different from 620. This is 602. Next puzzle. $539. Next number is 413. This is 431. Identify which is not 967. Yes, this one. The digit is 204. You have to find out other than this. This is 240. Puzzle number 17. $891. 536 is the next digit. This is 39. 472 is the common digit. You have to find out the one which is different. 412. Puzzle number 20. Find the odd one out. 5 to 7. Now you have to identify the digit which is different from 984. This is 934. Find what is different from 615. Bottom right, 651. Puzzle number 24. The digit is 731. This is 713. Next puzzle, 448. This was different. 362. Find the odd one. 352. 501. 510. Can you find the one which is different from 149? This one. Okay, puzzle number 29. The digit is 830. 803. Number 30. The digit is 273. Identify the odd one. 237. The digit is 564. This is 654. The next puzzle, five, 435. Okay, the next digit is now 798. 789. Puzzle number 34. The common digit is 340. You have to find the odd one. This one. And here is perhaps the last puzzle. The digit is 613. Find the odd one out. 6 was 631.